The Premier has denied claims he dumped Assistant Health Minister Chris Davis because of pressure from powerful supporters. The member for Stafford says he was sacked for speaking out about proposed changes to political donations. The controversy has raised further questions about Dr Davis's future in the LNP. Kathy McLeish reports.
The Premier headed north to open a state-of-the-art cardiac lab in Mackay.
Our machine is one of the life-saving devices.
But he couldn't escape rumblings over his sacking of Chris Davis for what the Premier says was a breach of Cabinet solidarity over doctors' contracts and changes to the CMC. The former Assistant Health Minister revealed to the ABC's 7:30 Queensland he believed his demotion was also because he'd spoken out over proposed changes to political donation laws.
I think it was not just the technicality of the Cabinet solidarity message. I think I had trod on some very powerful toes.
In the last sitting of Parliament, Dr Davis raised concerns about corruption claims currently dogging New South Wales and his fears it could spread to Queensland if laws were relaxed.
Matters such as this have led to a crisis of confidence in Australian politicians. In this context, we see the Coalition's Leader of the House, Christopher Pyne, suggesting all corporate and union donations be banned.
But the Premier vehemently denies Dr Davis ever raised the issue with him or the Attorney-General.
His appointment as an Assistant Minister was terminated because he failed to comply with the Westminster Conventions. At the meeting, he acknowledged that and he apologised to myself and the Treasurer, and there was a staff member there as a witness.
The opposition says Dr Davis remains compromised.
He's got some very serious concerns about powerful interests, about political donations, about what his government's done with the CMC, with the doctors, yet he still stands there and says he wants to run for the LNP.
The Davis controversy coincides with the Attorney-General's extended consultations with political parties on donations. Kathy McLeish, ABC News.